Hello and welcome to the AstroPix update for week 1. So far the state of application is pretty good. It's about where it's supposed to be for this week, so it's coming along nicely. In terms of the challenges for this week, I would definitely say the navigation drawer proved to be a bit of a challenge. The code that automatically comes with a navigation drawer activity in Eclipse by default was a little bit confusing in terms of their fragments were different from what I was expected from what I'd learned before, so that took a little bit of getting used to, but otherwise it went okay. In terms of accomplishments for this week, we have a launch image, we have the API being called, and the image of the day and running up are showing up, and then we also have the navigation drawer working. There were no change requests and plans moving forward. I'll go over that as well, show off the app now. So as you can see, I just close out, there's our launch image. And then, let's see. All right, so there is the image of the day and the runner up. Unfortunately, neither of them, well, especially the top one isn't, terribly exciting, or it's not really pretty like they often are, but it's images of solar flares. And normally if you are running this app for the first time, the navigation drawer automatically opens, but obviously I've run it multiple times. So we have our icon, and this is the screen we're on, is the image of the day. And so then, so these are both being called from the API. And for next week, what we'll be doing is when you click on one of these images, it will take you, or actually this will be week 3, when you click on one of these images, it will take you to the detail page that has the information about each image. So then we can go ahead and click the icon, and it will take us to the navigation drawer where you have image of the day, most recent, search, astrobin, and favorites. And these actual screens haven't been set up yet. Those screens are coming next week. So we didn't have anywhere to navigate to these two yet. But one of the other things that I did this week was set up the layout and the UI for the detail page. The order didn't make as much sense given the fact that I don't use it till week 3 and I didn't create week 2 stuff yet. But week 2 will be very quick, so I wanted to push it back for another day. Anyway, so if you click on any one of these, as of right now, it will very slowly take you to the detail page. Now again, this is not where it will ultimately navigate, but it was just to show that the navigation is working. It just will be a different view next week once that is working. And obviously on week 3, I'll be working on populating this. So that's where we're going with that. So that's moving forward, and hopefully next time there's some prettier images to show. Let's see. And yeah, so far so good. Looking like we're going to get it done in time. Thanks. Bye.